Okay, so I'm going to show you how to shape a boule. We're always going to prep the basket first. We do that by taking a little bit of flour and just dusting the inside of the basket. To shape this, what I do is a little bit of flour on top of the loaf. I never shape in flour. So a little bit of flour on top and that's it. Take my bench scraper and flip it over. I then go from each side into the center. Okay, so the bottom comes to the center, top to the center, turn it. Every corner to the center, okay? I next flip it, and then that same motion that we were using to pre-shape, up and then back down, up and then back down, until it is nice and round and smooth and taut like that. That's really all I'm looking for. Again, making sure that I don't see any tearing. If you've torn, you've gone too far. Then I pick up the whole thing and go into the basket, seam side up. If you see that the seam is not staying, what you can do is pinch it in the basket there. Okay, so that is your boule shape.